Let me show you how to use Circle to search in iOS 26. Now, if you want to just be able to take a screenshot and be able to circle something and search what's in it, or use the camera to be able to do it, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing you need to do is get into the settings of your iPhone. We need to make sure a couple things are turned on first. To use that Circle to search, we need to use Apple Intelligence, and more specifically Siri and Apple Intelligence. So first go here and make sure Apple Intelligence is turned on. If that is turned off, you won't be able to use it, so make sure to turn it on. Now, if you don't see that option for Apple Intelligence to turn it on, you need to check your model number. Now, keep in mind, Apple Intelligence is only available on the iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, any iPhone 16, or any iPhone 17. So you need one of those to be able to use visual intelligence. Now, after you've turned those on, I like to use this in Instagram or social media in general. If I'm wondering, hey, I wonder where Alex Honnold is climbing here, and maybe he doesn't say it in the description, all you have to do is take a screenshot. So volume up and the side button rapidly. And now you can see at the very bottom, it says highlight to search, AKA you can just draw a circle around an area. I wonder what those mountains are, and it will do a search for you. You can either do a Google search, an eBay search if it's something to buy, or Pinterest, of course. But a lot of times if you just want to identify something, Google works very well. And now you can see it is Yosemite Valley. You can see other mountains that look similar, but most likely it's Half Dome, around Half Dome in Yosemite Valley, somewhere that Alex likes to climb a lot. Now, keep in mind, if you don't see this, or maybe you want to use this for in person, you see something right in front of you, you can always just swipe down and open up your camera and use it using your camera. Or if you have a newer iPhone, you'll be able to see a little camera button at the very bottom here. So I can press and hold on that, and you can see I can open this up and I can take a photo, and I can choose to search Google for that photo. In this case, it's just my desk right here, and it'll pop up with various things on your desk. Now, if you don't see that, or that little button is not an option for you, you can always just, in the control center, tap and hold towards the bottom, and then hit add control. And then for here, you'll just type in visual intelligence, and there's a specific button for visual intelligence that you can just tap on, and it will immediately pop up with this screen again that you'll be able to take photos from, identify or circle certain objects to identify them in Google or Pinterest or eBay.